Hailey, and today we're back in the Disney kitchen, and I'm going to be making a peanut butter and jelly milkshake. Alright, I am following another Disney original recipe, and we're going to make this in a blender. I feel like that was pretty obvious. I don't know why I said that. I'm just going to pour in all the ingredients, and we're going to blend it together. So I've got 2 cups of vanilla ice cream. Ooh, it's a little mushy. And a 1/4 cup of milk. Now the peanut butter and jelly, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of peanut butter and 2 tablespoons of jelly. I'm using strawberry jelly, but the recipe said you can use whatever flavor you want. Strawberry and grape is the classic flavor though. I think it gives you like more of the taste that you get when you get it at Disney World. We all want to go to Disney, but we can't. No, no. Whoa. I should be a singer. Okay. There's jelly on the lid now, so it's kind of sticky. If you want to use more peanut butter or more jelly, you can, but that's just the recommendation. Alright, my shake is looking good so far, except some of the peanut butter and the jelly is sticking to the sides. So I'm just going to give it a little help, and I'm going to blend it up again. Okay, this is good. I actually added like probably at least a cup more of ice cream to make it thicker. But I think my ice cream was a little mushy. I'm not sure if that really matters, but you need a lot of ice cream to make a milkshake really thick. If you like yours thick, I really like thick milkshakes. Those are the best. Alright, I've got my cups here. They're Disney cups, if you noticed. And it's not like, you gotta be careful with this. Oh, that looks good. Alright, so I poured it out into 3 cups. As you can see, this makes a lot. I didn't like completely fill up my cups. One's like really full, one's halfway, and then one's just a little bit because I'm just gonna try it. Also, these are pretty wide cups. I'm excited for this. It smells good. This tastes just like a peanut butter and jelly, so thumbs up, like 10 out of 10. It tastes like a peanut butter and jelly. I don't know what more you could ask for. It's really good too. Well, thanks so much for baking with me. Today was definitely a success. This is a really great milkshake to make. Let me know if you ever make it at home, and I'll see you next time.